Wildflowers Glass Gels are transparent jelly gel polishes. They're available in several colors. I'm going to show you how to use these for a basic application. We definitely recommend using the glass gels over a clear tip. So first, I'm going to apply the Wildflowers base gel. Cure that for 30 seconds, then apply the Wildflowers glass gel. This will cure for 30 seconds as well, and then you apply the Wildflowers top coat gel and you're all set. You can use these by sculpting over our clear built in a bottle or with the nails in a box, which is what I used here. So we have a little number under the tip that we want to hide. Just apply a little glob of the Wildflowers top coat gel and that will hide that number for you. Quick and easy. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Wildflowers glass gels to create some artwork, and we're going to go abstract today, which is really fun and actually very easy. So begin with a black nail and apply the Wildflowers bloom gel, and don't cure this. We're going to take the Wildflowers white gel polish called tissue paper and just dab this into the wet blooming gel. You want to sort of be random with how you apply this. And what's going to happen is when you give it a little bit of time, and you'll see here, this is going to be time lapse starting now, it's going to expand and bloom, which is so cool. Once it's expanded, you can go ahead and cure that to lock it in place. Now, when you work with the Wildflowers glass gels and you're trying to blend colors, you really want to work with a dry brush. So you saw how many times I wiped my brush on the neck of the bottle. I'm going to apply a really dry coat here, and then if there's some areas where you want to add intensity, you can go back and add more product, or you can cure this first layer first and then go back and intensify the colors. But working with a really dry brush makes it a lot easier to blend the colors. You can see here, I'm just going right on top of the pink, and the pink is still uncured, so it's pretty easy to blend these. Now, some of these colors are just very rich. Our blue and our purple are super intense, so really wipe your brush, but you're still a lot of times going to see where the colors collide together, and it's not always possible to just use the brush right out of the bottle to get these to blend perfectly. So what you want to do is grab the Wildflowers Ombre brush, and with the Ombre brush, you'll be able to sort of dab and poke a little bit, and it will help to just blend out those places where the color might look a little harsh. But again, the less gel polish you use, the better when you're trying to blend. Once you have it looking satisfactory, you can go ahead and cure that. And then you finish it up with the Wildflowers top coat gel. How fun is this design? It's so easy to do. I hope that you try this and have fun with your Wildflowers glass gels. Thanks for watching.